Revlon has had our global cloud for the last 2 years in operations. What that cloud has delivered is a couple really key things. First is 6.9 uptime. So we just don't go down anymore. Second thing that we've delivered is savings and cost avoidance of $70.4 million. When we started our journey to the cloud, it was really about using technology as a competitive weapon.
We watch everything, every penny we spend, and deploying the cloud has allowed us to avoid so much in infrastructure cost.
The cloud almost runs itself. Our cloud makes 15,000 automated moves a month with no human intervention. We don't really have server people anymore. What used to take 6 or 8 weeks to get a server in the data center, now is 5 minutes. Our ratio of physical server to virtual server is 1 to 7. We're 1 to 34 this year. That's a 500% increase in capacity without cost.
It gives us money to spend to develop the business and develop new products and advertise on TV.
One of the chief things that we do with our cloud is disaster recovery. We insourced. We had an unfortunate experience where in Venezuela and Caracas, our factory burned down. In 2 hours and 40 minutes after we were notified, that factory was running in our DR site in New Jersey.
When I tell my friends what we do here and the pace that we do it, they seem just amazed because they don't understand how we can do so much in such a short period of time.
My team spun up virtual desktops, so on Monday morning, those people could go back to work. So we had the applications running, people could keep working, and that's really powerful.
So VMware is core to our DR capability. It will not work without VMware. It's automated, it's scriptable, it's simple. So it doesn't take a legion of people to go fly to some remote site with terabytes of tape. The data's sitting there, it's ready to go, you flip a switch and it's on.
We've essentially taken the infrastructure out of the way of the business.
You have the obvious easy things, file print. Those are good. You have Exchange 2010, SharePoint 2010, SQL Server 2008, R2, Oracle in various flavors running on Wintel systems. And those systems are relied on for minute-to-minute operations. If they do not work, we do not do business.
VMware is our core. It is at the core of our cloud. It's really the center of the ecosystem of our partners. It allows us to be very fast. And simplicity equals speed. Speed equals competitive advantage.
The concept at Revlon is if you can't automate it, we don't want it. The less hands in the pot, the better.
We all have an ownership stake in the technology is really how this works so well.
It's always on, it always works, it's always available, and it saved us a lot of money.
Our chief function is really making systems work for people rather than people working for the systems.